Hi friends, welcome to CAT channel, Civil Architecture Tutorials channel. Today we discuss regarding the formworks, the types of formwork. And there is always a confusion when we are going for an interview or somebody is asking a civil engineer or we have a confusion that we know formwork but there are different kinds of formwork like shuttering, centering, staging. So in general, I have seen that most of us is telling shuttering in general for shuttering, centering, and staging. So it's just like a general term we are using it. So in order to clear out that thing, I am making this video today for that. So what is called formwork? Formwork is something which makes another material into a form. For example, you know the ice cube tray. Water have no form on its own, but when we put the water into the ice cube tray and refrigerate it, it will be in the shape of that tray. Same like in civil construction, when we are doing the footing or a column or a slab, we have to make some formwork, something, some mold. It's called mold to make the shape of that thing in that particular shape. So first we make the mold. Mainly we are using plywood for that, and in slab we are using metal sheets too. So take the case as plywood. So plywood will act as a formwork which will make the shape first, and then we pour the concrete into it, and then we attain that shape. So this is called formwork. And shuttering, now we come to the shuttering. Shuttering, or if we take the example of a column, it's a vertical member, you know. So what all things which goes to that vertical member will be the vertical plywood formwork like this on all four sides. Okay, so that type of vertical member formwork is called shuttering. That vertical member, wherever it comes, even if it is a beam, you can see beam has got four sides. On the two sides, on left side and right side, it has got vertical members. So that part is only called shuttering. It's not, we cannot use that shuttering as general term for all kinds of formwork in the civil construction. So again I am telling, the side formwork is only, we can say it is shuttering. And now what is called centering. Centering is the horizontal side. That is, if in the case of a slab, we know the formwork will be in the horizontal line, not in the vertical line. So that horizontal full line is called centering. In the case of beam also, there is a soffit line, means the base of the beam there, that is horizontal member. So that is also called centering. So again I am telling, the formwork which goes for the horizontal member, for example slab, it is called centering. So now I think you got the difference between shuttering and centering. So shuttering is vertical member, shuttering is for the vertical member. All vertical formwork members are called shuttering. Centering is all horizontal members. Okay, and then the third part of the formwork. When we are making all these forms, why we are making the forms? To make a shape. Okay, but when we pour the concrete, it needs some support, so that the weight have to be supported at certain intervals. If it is for slab, it had to be supported because a lot of weight is coming up on top of the slab. So who will support it? For that we need to make a stage like thing. Just they are making a stage. Just think that they are making a stage. So it is called stage. Staging involves the prop jacks, you know, the um, supporting props, supporting that long stick like thing at certain intervals. So that is called staging. Whatever uh, take the load of all these things, and uh, which converts that force into the base, that is called staging. So just think that staging is actually the stage which takes all the whole load of this formwork. So the stage setup. So the prop jack is the thing which is taking the whole load, also along with the span in between the prop. You have seen that. So this part is called staging. The first part, shuttering, is consisting of only the vertical formwork. Horizontal formwork consists the centering formwork, and the staging is the thing, is actually the stage which holds all this load, all this thing, all this formwork. That is called staging. So the whole thing constitutes the formwork. I hope you understand the terms called formwork, shuttering, centering, and staging by this video. I will come with a new subject and a new video. So till then, goodbye. Please subscribe, share, and like my channel. Thank you very much.